What is up, guys? Today we will have an unboxing, brief review of the really nice Fifine microphone, which the model is Fifine K658. It's RGB gaming microphone, which actually ampli game, how they call this series. And this microphone I got only for $40 even on discount, so $40 is almost for free, and microphone is really nice. And let's check it out. So what they indicate here, some email address is Zhongqing, Guangdong, China, rated current 200 mAh, and voltage is 5 volt here, nothing else is indicated, and here is some number for delivery. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. Actually, the user guide is first what you will see when you open it up. What they have here is a mute button, red is muted, green microphone's on, RGB power on, power off here, this button, and headphone output 3.5 mm. Let's see what else we have. Also, of course, USB, so how to set it up, some brief introduction how you do it. Also, you can connect it to Mac, and here we have some specification. Is dynamic microphone, 150-200 mAh, frequency response 7 Hz, 15,000 Hz, unidirectional, sensitivity is -50 ±3 dB, SN ratio is more than 70 dBA, and maximum SPL is 110 dB. Actually, this is what you need to know, and here you have also some instruction, even for macOS, how to use it. So we just go to System Preferences, click on Display Sound Preferences, and you have this microphone here. Also, how to connect the stand is indicated, and what's inside. So in the box we have the microphone, shock mount, metal ring, USB-C to USB-A adapter, 8.5-3.8 male to female adapter, and user manual. Alright, so let's go to the microphone itself. So we have this cable, Type-C to USB cable. Also we have this adapter here. Alright, what else? Let's check it out. So this is a connector itself, it's like handler for it. So this side up even indicate for you. The microphone itself also not that heavy, but looks really nice. Fifine here indicated from both sides. This is volume, this is actually not a clickable button, it's just sensor button. This also sensor button, the only clickable, interesting. From here we have USB-C and headphone jack here. Also we have something else here, let's check what we have in the box. Some connector, and that's it. So actually no adapter from USB-C to USB, but we have cable. Or they mean a cable, let me check it out, what they mean by this. Okay, it's actually just cable, alright. So I will use USB-C to USB-C cable to connect to my MacBook, just regular cable, but this is Fifine, also quite good quality as I see. Let's mount it. So I think this ring is for here, and firstly we need to insert the microphone, I think this side, how they indicate it, and then you fix it from inside very simply, and actually that's how it looks like. So then you connect it on some tripod, let's say, and use it like this. Also, let's try to check what's inside here. Okay, it's actually not removable, I guess. Okay, I will not damage it. Will not remove it. Okay, here is removable actually. I found a way. And let's check how microphone itself is looking. Okay, that's the protection, that's the microphone. Alright, it's protected actually, it's metal. So quite reliable, and inside the microphone also protected with similar stuff and supposed to work well. So let's try it out. Let's put it back. So you see USB-C here that should be connected. I will connect it now. Also this connector to put here, so depends which size of tripod you use. That's why I will not do it now. I will just connect it to my MacBook. Okay, this cable is alright. Let's put like this for now. I will connect to the cable. I will connect it using the cable to my MacBook now. Right, I've connected. You see RGB light is working here well. And I think this button is turn on, turn off, and button is sensor. I don't press it. RGB is working well. Here is microphone, turn on, turn off. Also working well. And this is sound. And actually you can connect using headphone jack. You can connect the headphones and listen what you are recording for. So my MacBook is asking me allow to connect accessories. I click allow, so I guess it's supposed to work already. Let's try it out. I will turn on some voice recorder. Alright, now I'm using the MacBook M3 Air microphone, 123, 123 test drive. Alright, now I'm using the microphone from the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 123, 123. The quality should be fine, it's like separate microphone, wireless. And now let's use the Fifine microphone. Alright, now let's test the microphone. I put it now on maximum volume, it's Fifine microphone. Now let's decrease the volume. So this is a half of the volume of the microphone, Fifine K658. So working well or not, you can decide and leave your comment below. Alright, so basically you just hear how it works. The RGB light is working well, and I don't know, I guess it's just working without any like indicator why it's working. I mean, it's not sound detected. But as for me, the sound for its price is really nice. It's a really good microphone for in this price range. And for $40, I don't think you can get something better than this Fifine K658. So let me just show you a bit. That's how the RGB light looks like. So everything censored, working well, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can decrease the volume on minimum and also working pretty well. This is disable button. And quality of materials is really nice and the sound as well. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.